today I'm reviewing the Youth to the People Triple Peptide and Cactus Oasis Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchased these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time to sponsor ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the link below. So I picked this up right before Youth to the People got acquired, or purchased. So since that happened, I haven't picked anything else up from them, but thought I might as well review this one, and then we'll see what happens to the brand after that, I guess. Okay, so they call us a potent triple peptide infused hyaluronic acid face and eye serum that intensely hydrates and visibly plumps and firms to sustain bouncy, youthful skin. Okay, I've got a lot of thoughts on this one. Okay, in terms of, my first criteria is just packaging. Packaging's fine. The pump is a nightmare. It shoots out everywhere, which causes you to lose a lot of the product right away. The bottle's fine. The pump is terrible. Sometimes it sprays normal, and sometimes it comes out crooked, and then you lose a lot of it all over your countertop or your hand or whatever. So, did not like the packaging, especially for a product that is as pricey as this. You think they could get the pump right. I'm not exactly sure what the problem with the pump is, but I'm not the only one. There are other people who have noted that, so it's not just me. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does contain benzyl alcohol, which is a preservative, and when used in small amounts, it's not a big deal, so no issues with that. It's fragrance-free, so that is exciting. We love that. The manufacturing location is the U.S., so no issues with that, so ease of use. So I guess right now we'll find out how the pump is going for today. Let's see. Will it come out crooked or will it be straight? It came out straight that time, so there we go. Although when I used it this morning, it came out crooked, so I have no idea. Okay, so they say apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean face and neck morning and evening. Seal in all the key moisturizing molecules and nutrients with their Superfood Air Whip Moisturizer. Of course, they're going to recommend using their product, but you can use this just fine under almost any other moisturizer. It doesn't have to be that one. Because that one I tried, and it ended up as a dry clump at the bottom of the jar right away. Well, not that fast, but pretty quickly. They also mentioned it can be used around the eye area. It's got a nice liquidy gel texture which smooths over skin nicely, absorbs pretty quickly when you smooth it over your entire face and neck. And yeah, then it sets to a finish that is natural, in my opinion. It's non-sticky and natural. Okay, so in terms of beneficial ingredients, okay, so we've got prickly pear cactus, which is a skin soothing and hydrating ingredient. We've got Matrixyl 3000, cell communicating ingredient, the most sold peptide in the world. It helps with wrinkle size, depth, and density. Also helps with texture, elasticity, and skin tone. Then we've got Palmitoyl tripeptide 28, which is a skin conditioning ingredient. Then we've got sodium hyaluronate. We've got hydrolyzed sodium hyaluronate. We've got sodium hyaluronate crosspolymer. And then we've got sodium acetylated hyaluronate, which are all humectants, I guess, triple cactus and hydrating firming Oasis Serum. Yeah, lots of hyaluronic acid versions. Kind of reminded me of the Verse product I reviewed, so. Okay, in terms of, watermelon extract. Sorry, I stopped ahead of myself. Then we've got watermelon extract, which is an antioxidant. We've got lentil extract, which is hydrating and source of vitamin B5. We've got apple fruit extract, which is a skin conditioning ingredient. We've got rambutan extract, which some studies show that this may help with fine lines as well as elasticity. We've got sodium PCA, which is a skin identical ingredient. We've got malachite extract, which is an antioxidant taken from rocks. And then finally, we've got polyglutamic acid, which is humectant. Lots of humectants in here, so you're going to want to use a moisturizer over this to seal them all in, which is just fine. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is vegan as well as cruelty-free. In terms of performance, I didn't notice much difference using this as when I didn't use it. I think it gave my skin a bit of extra hydration, but I didn't notice any real benefit with wrinkles, fine lines, or brightness. I just didn't. It doesn't necessarily mean that you won't. That was just my experience with it. I'm a bit disappointed, to be honest with this, just because it's so expensive. I just didn't notice any real benefits after going through nearly the whole bottle. So, In terms of acneogenic ingredients, we've got a few. We've got hydroxypropyl methylcellulose and carbomer. So for acne-prone skin, it's not a huge concern. The price, this is a full-size 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, and it retails for $54 unless you got it on sale, which Sephora did have a sale recently, so it's a little bit better of a deal. Then in terms of the it factor, for the price, it was disappointing. I'd love to see more peptides in this. The messed up pump was irritating and just wasteful. Personally, I would recommend somebody going with the Ordinary Buffet. It's more affordable, and it's just got a much more robust ingredient list and more peptides if that's what you're going for. Peptides, the Ordinary Buffet is going to be a better deal in the long run. So I didn't hate it. I just didn't love it. And perhaps if it had been more affordable, I've been a little bit less harsh about it. So there we go. With a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 6. It's not terrible. I just didn't love it the way I love some other serums and things. So anyway, and now they've been sold and bought and whatever. There we go. I mean, they're not a small company anymore. They're owned by a giant conglomerate. So it makes me feel less guilty about not loving it. Anyway, so with a 10 being a perfect score, I give it a 6. Interested to hear from you guys if you had a chance to check it out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are, if you agree or disagree. So leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.